How to target US audience on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can target US audience on Instagram. So now, let's get started. So when you want to target US audience on Instagram, the easiest way to do so is by using a VPN. Just open up a VPN and connect it to the USA, and after you do so, you can start posting again, and that will help you attract US audience. So the other way to do so is by just using hashtags. So whenever you upload a post, so let's say this is my post right here. Now I'm just gonna make some edits. You can just do this while you upload. So while I do this, what I will do is I'll just add a hashtag and write USA and stuffs related to US. Now just keep on adding the hashtags with USA on them, and you can just do so and hit done. Now by doing this, what will happen is people who follow USA will start getting your post on their feed. So this is the other way to target US audience, and yeah, that is basically all for the video too.